Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating and verifying your WhatsApp business profile using your business phone number. Add your business name, hours, address, and a concise description that describes services. Enable messaging tools such as labels, quick replies, greeting messages, and away messages to organize conversations. Register message templates in the WhatsApp Manager before sending any bulk or automated messages. Always follow WhatsApp policy and opt-in requirements for marketing and transactional communications to avoid delivery blocks and account suspension. Write short, personalized messages that address the customer by name and include relevant details. Keep promotional content concise, typically under 320 characters, and always include a clear call to action such as shop, book, or learn more. Avoid spammy language and do not send repeated unsolicited promotions to maintain deliverability. Include an easy opt-out instruction and promptly honor opt-outs within 24 hours to comply with messaging rules and preserve customer trust. Track open, reply, and click rates to measure campaign performance and guide optimization. Segment contacts by purchase history, engagement, or location to send targeted messages that increase conversion rates. Use automated flows for FAQs, order confirmations, and appointment reminders to save agent time and improve response speed. A/B test templates and calls to action to find the best performing messages and scale successful campaigns gradually while monitoring customer feedback and compliance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.